na chief for there for e will be akwa about Gospel TV program e friend inspirational personalities abroad and I also and then send a chief for me no aka no I am say and there are 2 programs within the 2 hours no there are 2 programs send a kind no kasa and I say you should be about prostate cancer send a Dr. Mayhem Debiano and then only prostate cancer. What is prostate cancer? Prostate cancer you be a year juma out nasicha uchumukosro or your risk say after 50 years going over your prostate. We will be a year juma me say transicha we a driver we a juma we bema we a driver and I say we will be a computer office worker with nasicha you are at risk of getting prostate cancer. The doctor near the chest nnuane a wo say die symptoms a wo say nya ehunu a wo say ehunu say ya nya prostate cancer na ya so ano ntem ade bia na ba na so ano ntem a na wo ye okay na so wan so ano ntem na ma no di nya ekoduru akiri ba bia afi bo hunu no ne ye de rubber e be hye wo ba me ye no na e koso kane no sa ya de ni nyina na ye nkokrafo na ye wo mu enso ne de akoye ya de a nkwara nyina atumi nya fi say ye nkwa check up ye mfano ye fanitra yenso ya de bia mema ya de se na ma wo mu ya de no na meka be bia odwuma wo ye no wo transiche no we are at risk of getting prostate cancer. Tina prostate cancer ho ene ne doctor ebedi dwuma yi ntina ye twan ho mitimi no aba ye ne doctor abedi dwuma no okasa wie na ye commercial break ba na afi ye bia ahotrofo na tum na wo question bia opeso obi tena na wo bisa ene doctor de ne ye wana wape ye bia afi ne ye kwa de Ghanaian maestro Ghanaian and Belgium maestro mo am hono Facebook no aya Jeremy Doku so no ye ne no so be ye program no ene na wofo ne no aye program ne no so ye husua bibi afuru aya Gospel TV ena mo no ene eye on the 2nd of December or the 2nd of January 2022 ena ye wono afena shase ye mo bia fichiapa afisa se de ene tese nyina ye ko ye ni obia botaye esi obia ni so bia na atimi ayeye afisa se na Ghana for ye timi asua ne ma ko ye ni especially ene ye tia buchi ya ne ya dwen se ye bitimi abobra ko ye ni se ne be ya ye susuye ana se ye botaye ma ye de tu kwa no ye bitimi abom na ye timi de akoye ni ntino me do bia se wa o hwe mi bia no se na subscribe na fra unua na o metie bi especially o adamfo bi wo nua bia o ye bema ono so no o ye adwuma o transicha bobodin na ma no metie sa program bi no so no o sua bibi emfiri mu no mo no ba emfiri prostate no se na meka no eye mema ya de a bema bi after 50 years no wan hwe yi a wo ye obi a adwuma wo ye no transicha likely no we are at risk so which mean prostate no your prostate cancer your prostate enlargement ni nyina ho doctor be chiachire mu enti wie wa wo question bi a opeso bi a na wo bisa no na de ya me hunu ne de meka da bi a meka ne doctor ye program meka say you are what to eat which means to say aduane a wodie no ye no na kire wo nipa dua so nipa dua wo fu aye kakraka so hu say wo sisa wo dua ne die mu ye no ye risk say the doctor chiachire no che say wodidi anadwo a ye no so nye ye no so on risk o we na bibri ba ye no so nye ye no so on risk it ni nyina anu say doctor achire nnuane aye ni vegetables ani ade ono ne the only doctor wo Ghana wo yare na akọ ho a the vegetables any fruits and the sour there catch it could wait for 3 days could wait for 4 days wo mu so a obinya stroke if you US a wakọ doctor ho ama doctor asa na yade wo mu nyina be ba program no so ne wo mu so abedi ho adanse because Ghana de make ade ba akọ ehu e wo Ghana e ya awerho ene se wo ba nya yade na wonya obi tumi asa yade because Ghana wonya yade ni hwia afie no obi a ba kire o papa we yade dusiri we yade we ya woni beti ho so na woni be ba ho so na usika nyina asa atana be hu the right person na usika nyina asa we doctor there ina ye dwuma no adochire fo no bi akọ ama otimi asa wo yade ama bibia aye kama enti no omo so baba omo so abedi adanse ebi yo Holland ebi wo America omo nyina atimi ko Ghana ekọ at the right time no etimi ko ma doctor etimi bo omo enti ne ye try ho metimi no aba na ene doctor abedi dwuma no yedin ne ti eduru mra a wo say ofre bibi na obisa details a wo bisa se na be kan program we adisua ne nyina yesua de na ye wo hey yankwa ehunya because amodi ni wa nipa wontimi nya hwele yade so de enim ohia ni enim sikani yade enim magistrate ene enim president ene enim obia etimi tu obia de better so obetie na wabo ho ban na so yo ba mpo a watimi aka hye wukunu so asomasi akosi ana akoto ye na ko check prostate because mema ya de etimi ye be bia ntino na ho ne ma de wo so tie afiri mu no watimi so aboa wo kunu ama no so atumi asua bibi afiri mu se na be ya enko ye bibi enko ha no ama etina no ya fa roba ahye no na emfa ahye na ne be mamu ama enko fa program ema ntimi ne ya me twa ho ba mitimi no na the program asoso higher Diaspora TV program aye friend solution ya wa ana inspirational personalities abroad ye no mu ana ye wa ti twa ho ba.
Watch Solution Hour every Sunday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Diaspora TV. The man on the seat, Chairman Bonsafu Bewa. Solution Hour, solutions to every problem.
Sawa kwantium na wakoduru fie na wunya baabi na eya pa me kanfo Nivavi guest house amount eye Kumase Kwadaso estate near Christ Apostolic University and Kwadaso market womo wo jacuzzi papa bi omo wo swimming pool a obetimi adwodwo ho Nivavi guest house se wonya ahoho bi na opa baabi papa nso amomada efo ne light adundum de menwene ho kra omo wo solar 24/7 a eye adwuma na air condition so etwagu afa kra de Nivavi de abetwam edemu stronko owo pap bi a wo bia na wo wura ho no a wo be fili très bien se wo pe DSTV ahwe Nivavi wo projector kese e boda ho enti wo ni problem kra se wo pe bibia nom ana se wo pe bibia die emutuo die wo woni ho problem kra Nivavi bo wura ho na bibia wo nsabeka Nivavi guest house na wo wura mu a emu afeyie tutromi kai enkoda ba bia se Nivavi na security nso de eye tight me kanfo Nivavi guest house amount frewo mo ewo ahomatrofo iso 0547819823 ana se 0263928191 se wo amono a na wo de Ghana code na ahye ni mu at Nivavi. You are not just received, but welcome as part of the royal family. Nivavi Guest House. Me dad do me home.
You alone, I'm on.
Hello, Jeff, for I'm saying the kind, and that's all have a background here. Almost say a difference to cry na your cost to the OB, and I hear it's answer, and I go for the second program, no, and then Jeremy Doku, and now for and so a better chance. It's in a start up no different, you difference to the OB, no, I start programming. And you know, I'm saying, canon question, I'm running to 2 programs within the 2 hours, no. Doctor, Doctor, we are going to talk about prostate. Prostate, baby, was out to me, no shame be free prostate, especially after 40-50 years now. You are baby, at risk. You so whom nearly human coin of a faso, which me about who by Senator Winya Saya, you know, and then Yamia, no me and Dr. Mayhem, all the way from Ghana, or near over my education about prostate. In the Bedama doctor, men come and question, that doctor, fine. You do say a commercial break bar. Now, maybe I want to phone to know our question and what you may be, sir. My view, you are 1 hour pay for this program. It's all about a question, will be sending them. Now, two boys say, a child, himself, at the assembly. Engineer, my doctor, that doctor, any other. Doc, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I hope to say, doctor.
Bokoya, we are now more exercising.
Yes, we are here, pa. The Ghana Bokoya.
Oh, Ghana, you were hanging Father Rupert. And Simus, you said, yeah. Yeah, what's the come up? I'm out for enjoy Christmas and so.
Oh, okay.
See, the highest.
The Christmas, the New Year, you buy at 31st, no? Ya day up and else, you probably be a good story there, money at the ankle hard in the day.
You say 2 million after because I say I don't know what I say. New Year, no. About the sister, but New Year necessarily. You need the piano. Yeah. And then New Year, no, necessarily. Oh, thank you, man. Now that's a new year. My brother best son. We are lazy. Like a new year. So for all in the name of Koya and Koya. Your mentality and your attitude as a son. New year. I think it is one and of course comes a horror it won't end solve a problem here. The best solve a problem is the best is your attitude. No.
Dr. Venasi, to it, I've said, and a program at that also when you hear about cancer, prostate cancer, and the Jama, that you know, what the outcome, the HMS be or whatever.
Okay. Yeah, I say, Micha, a chief for you now, so. A chief for you, so. Empire say 2022 years to so then I make a best say an attitude. Now yes, bravo for betterment of our health and all that. Then we are the look at the candy way. And they have prostate. So never the cabo for the room. I can't prostate day. Or how many women? Then I say, yeah. Then I did back. Then I say, D. Now it's me up way. And only a person you can and the into me, into me way. Point number 1. When you go on your mistake, Nipedu boy no perfect. Organ be any Nipedu Yankopon ye ne say the do be a problem emra ho na emfa enkuye na me wanye ne sa inti nyami prostate o ye ne perfectly say ye juma emaya kama kopim say enado a Yankopon de ma no so nanka yesra asiso is as our head to the phone one. Prostate in some no. Then you are there, my issue. The guy said, a brand new school, America Memo, your professor about who is said then Africa, most so more prostate, some let to say. And of course, I'm saying, I mean, who dear Minka. Because then you are there, now so common. Now, out of this the world. But unfortunately, and near my SSN, na copy of no lifestyle, any omu diet, no, and I'm an PISA. Indeed, success is no choice, say, we remember me and send the age in a while. Omu modin finche free 50 air corner. A mubako. Ebenya prostate cancer and sun where success so and cancer that is the fit man and cancer you say success inti yo mu akano no inti sana na mekano say enye fit enye Yankopon say be me bi a unya sa problem no sanya success na be tutano cano. Yes, anything. Yes, I need a combo in back. Na Nima and Yasitran Yadati, and this hour how we abba. Indeed, the baby. A can't a prostate no. A packet to be a share between blood and you do so channel, you so channel. Asipe, you channel, Asiana Eshe. Na edituma bebre, the producer enzymes beer, and on a ma semen no, Mema Hunsia, a meeting Obano, to me a year juma, and my air enriched Hamakama. A muso, and I took Robida, to come you know them, Bakoya dear, a semen no FM. And about Consuya dear Johnson, a femme, Tinina fat prostate. Now, you how about prostate no yedika efeno benign prostatic hyperplasia, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Ni so ananititi ane say prostate no eye kese anase prostate enlargement. Nti bi other hospital na say obekwa check no ni aka cho say prostate no eye kese. And no any problem but any problem kese. And at the toss me no and a problem kese pa prostate cancer no. Nti don't your prostate problem either say a benign and answer a cancerous. Certainly it's no. Na enyema horopi ena ema bema prostate no ehho ba asem. Yedi kai the Freddy be apoptosis. Apoptosis na chese onyankopon ebo ni pediano. Sansa ewo ni pediano mu no. Ebiwu na fofraba. Ebiwu na fofraba. Ebiwu na fofraba. Eye nyame na eye na site programmed. Enti se ko ba se mechanism a emma cells ni bi ewu na fofraba ni nya adwuma. And answer for cells no fofraba na eba. Cells no fofraba na eba. Enti edama adena yekese. Isa senka the maintain balance no. And I'm said yes ewu no munti no. Na fofronso ba na eba no na yekese. Nti no. The possible emma prostate no ayekese eye ya didi ani anum ya onuani bi o ha ebi emma prostate no ayekese onuani bi o ha ebi emma no ayekese ebabubo so yewo adidi ayekese no IGF-1 insulin growth factor 1 and the determinant factor and that say ubenya prostate problem and now say unya prostate problem. If I say a hey abusia 14 years pa say ubenya prostate how say benign and now say cancerous no agina sa insulin growth factor 1 also. Emma omunya breast cancer and also so aging at the same IGF-1 also. Nti then Emma sa IGF-1 cause a problem. The change say you will need to why ye dear a boa Emma IGF-1 no a produce be when you pay the animal. Any woman need to why ye dear a manum produce kese. Nempo dia produce no your enzyme via glucoproteins via the dia produce and a binding IGF-1 no na emma excess e woni peduanum sebeya unya problem eniania yedia emma IGF-1 no ekoso na yekese eye enam any products nyina proteins more. Now, the who can say pie milk. I was a funny na Betty Actum and I said, that Shannon so say. So, Wakwada. Now, man on milk the Braquadan when you home to or yet get say when you intentem. Meaning tentem or ekese. In the milk a promote to growth. Milk na akwadani. And this is what they Brunia Quada. Our debate 1 year. After to be Binia Quada, our debate 1 year more. Workers be Binia Aquadano, over 6 months. I brought in the room. A milk. IGF-1 no. A one milk no more, and a ma Niban in no. Now, your meaning no. Akwadasha is a swinging into a no milk when you need a 2 pence as a jam markano, Sabaya, Inino, and so accelerated growth no at the stop. It's like you're putting bricks on it. But unfortunately, no, Yan markano, Yanuno ka and Kokra Bremun near that so no, and yes, and nature a yeno. And the more no knockano. A promote to IGF-1 production, no, a promote to growth of everything in the body, a promote to growth of tumors, a promote to growth of fibroids, a promote to growth of the prostate, no, in the number one factor, now be a would programming. A well researched and you should move the brain aquaso. Say, you're no, na say, IGF-1 cost more prostate no ayakesi. Now, say, prostate near Cassia, or instance, and so the brain, it would need the dianosom, and I say, it produces signs and symptoms be. Baby kind, a blood prostate in the ayakesi. A produce enzyme B. A friend prostatic antigen. Antigen. And into course, a catch us a quiet test. The two moja, a boom says, antigen no adults in the brew mojanum. Now, a dear answer as a prostate niacus, a prostate niacus, and a produces prostatic specific antigen. But the prostate niacus, a vetumo de befumono, nasa antigen, not in the idea canon, the PPSA test. Yeah. The prostate niacus, it is some who P. and medical canon, send number one. And I'm saying I can see into no. Drobenoa a free blood animal, your friend of urethra. A drobe a Muna Johnson or Effa. And it's a prostate near Castia. Now a Kenya Sadrobeno. A Kenya urethra noa. Emma Johnson to me and some Sanyanka SSA Effa. The Banisanoa. O Kojnasa or Johnsa, Didi Kain. Obre and Sana Johnson Abba. Until Pia Obre and Sana Johnson Abano and Kaiboy choice of posting Nayakasi. Number two, Fresh Sanoa Johnson a day Banonso, a coffin. Hane Johnson Bow is force. Already a bar, Takanka crack. A chasa and prostate Nayakasi, a Kemia, urethra no anasa drobeno. Number three, say, Udun so area, and I'm sad na Kemia Nintino. Untumi Johnson in answer in free blood animal. Freddy be urine retention, incomplete voiding. Inti Johnson bika blood animal, Johnson chanumu. And I'm said, dear Camuntino. Joseph Adel, because one you saw many and free blood and ye ma, I saw Joseph many in a film empty. But I'm so old to Drubano, I'm a Ninian to me, ma. Jojo saw and Tana Joseph Adel, Sanko Johnson. That is number three. Your first view, a beer, Udin so we are. Johnson a triple was a so, and also chance a prostate no ayake. Sekobase prostate na ayake si entino. Se untumi empty bladder no Johnson nyina ntumi ma. Na Johnson bi ka bladder no mu a. And also so a chewo mu a. And I'm say e yefi ya se pie entino. Infection to me bem. Inti bladder infection ba. Se bladder infection no ba. And also the areas that my Johnson 10 kakrebi Johnson do. Near a toast view, nocturnal urination and another. Okay, sorry, best and pretty oh no aqua Johnson. And she said, oh, yeah, Bema, Nana just read them trend and Prince and Sana at the action. And so was a prostitute, no, and whom Abba Assem. There's a Okoshe and Rossum Ekan. And when we hear enlargement, Nana say hyperplasia, no, in Yanya cancerous. And she will share now, yes, a Kaye, Ewo, and Yama Rumua, if it's my na etumi aboa. Nyina yɛ na mekano. Sɛ aduane ɛne a lifestyle horo ekofaba. Apart from nnuane a mekɛn, your infections will be hɔ a sɛ no nso kɔ ɛtɛ ne pedwan mu acha a etumi nya nsanso ɛwɔ prostate no ɛso. Ebi ni all kinds of STIs. STIs ni nyina etumi nya nsanso sɛ kyɛ when treat ni yie amana ukone cha etumi affect your prostate no ema prostate no yɛ infected and also so ɛde ɔhaw ɛde ɛba nti ɛhɔ nso so sɛnea ɛte ɛno no afei yɛwɔ prostate cancer. Prostate cancer no so about as a result of too much IGF production. So produce IGF bebree no and also so eboa ema cells that prostate no e sha se proliferate nyini bebree cancer cell no dey here say division no content nyini 10 bibia stop no nti and also so ti ekwaya efaso eba no edidi no ememu chem se sabi fat so ba na dem di fat bebre oba be nyansu sanso on the breast so and oba man so e be nyansu sanso e wo prostate no so nti mududo e di sade bebre no yamomoden se be hye no so afei but sugar more produce a lot of insulin. Insulin is more horrible. Normal insulin, no pancreas no produce. So we produce a lot of insulin. Now insulin no so boama bibia nyin say na IGF-1 no ye pepepe na sa pepepe na insulin so the more your prostate will grow. Na akwako yes for how at their bro. I say medical channel say produce a lot of IGF-1 and also so at your how ever. I say your enemy prostate nanke sense so here. You won't hear the medical boss or no to say too much sugar, too much fat, too much meat, too much milk. And I say yenny that's no sunny money. Prostate no embe. I say nyama be na prostate no pa so the manua eboa no kama ema onya o how bia yo greens ahoro ni nyina habama green ni nyina nyama bebre wo mu a eboa inhibit the growth of IGF-1. Number 2, fiber, and also eboa. Number 3, minerals and vitamins P. Prostate, eboa no papa, and what me, minerals, vitamins, phytochemicals we hear, sabe or the born by. In fact, the woman partner said, ye nigga ye dear, a poor aqua who do a wouldn't be a home by. By enzymes are produce, hormones are produce, and hurrah, if a girl produce no, again the type of food that would do so. Into leafy greens and then green vegetables, and so a what. Over the bit to say cruciferous vegetables, it is a cabbage, it is a Brussels sprout, it's a cauliflower, any broccoli. Sani na boa ebo ye ho ban free prostate cancer any cancer in general because of enema horo phytochemicals ahore wo mu ntebusuafo so onye bie so onye bi hyasie e kai se nya patient bi na ono ndie na advance pa stage 4 no do stage 4 so do stage 4 RHS no ano no wu ana be enu de ne prayer our ya say wo mase in fact sana mekano na advance ye na fru afono na srenyi na hona ye dindin what just kidney affecting the heart enlarge the CC the balls the testicles na ye kese ama na address stage 4 sana mekan stage 4 enti omude ne bae no Yankupon me shase edno to a treatment so a disease can Yamam Nabubo pudding Brussels sprouts me a cauliflower any cabbages any broccoli near then you started juicing yeah Yankupon within 2 weeks no na friend in na higher than ding says emma I had ding I shall say a yemre. I shall say a yemre. Na kuma no shall say a ye. Ya kwacha kia na say keep shall say and also so a form kama. Moja no kakreb na reno na fi moja no na shall say eba. Mama ye. Abusia for. Enti aduane anyi kupon de maye no. Sanki any yesu dia. Emma in the first place. Emma is what you true ashim. Cinema Poposon. In the greens, I would greens, I would but unfortunately, I had to say, as a young fan share, any young fan to tea. Oh, into your king of Fufuya. Yeah, just say, and one. Na feel how about leafy greens. There possibly tomatoes in toast and also so phytochemicals be more and also so a more prostate no buying. Emma sa BPH no Emma. Benign prostatic hyperplasia no. So the in toast no chemical no a what in toast no. I have a lycopene, a bob prostate no wine. Emma. Near a tossibio. Pomegranates. Pomegranates and so. And also a bob prostate no by ye papa. Patient America say no. Na mechanism is toast. Any beets, Nippon pomegranate, Nina, near juice be manano. In fact, say, one and say, oh, send me who hunt him, and I'm a buyer, come hot to me. But the mission is a non cancer, a true stage 4. Stage 4 near final stage. I say, oh, baby, a Janiba could be a bob prostate no by a grapefruits. Anka akese paano and also so a bob prostate no by ye papa. Whom I yet no quite one way mid them a more. Did there be a more near chis 2 weeks? None of my enema near Trahu near Dinia main. It's a fufu, the piano fufu, daddy. The Jane Baku Yamaya, Kunyanko Pomba me a Jane Baku. But now my Jane variety the brain, no traffic. Nipeduani here near Mahudo Bebre, like a cabo for my bedroom. There possibly a pumpkin, a fre and an abba. A fre and an abba. No, say very good for the prostate. About whom by ye. I say watermelon and also a fight prostate problems. I would only about prostate no by now. Unya even cancer watermelon also contain antioxidants friendly lycopene to say tomato no pepe Also watermelon mu red. Tomatoes so sap pepper. Enti aduane ti an color red no. It is a beet no. It is a pomegranate no. Sani nyina containing sa lycopene a bob prostate no ho ban. Nti ya momodin bebree say ebedi sanuane na etumi abroa. Nti say a break watermelon brie kama na lycopene na yekese. Nti si brie kama na yekese. Na asanso treat erectile dysfunction and as impotence. Nti prostate no sunsun sanso bi no say edu ba bia na say be ma no na ayemre na infection erectile dysfunction and function due. Nti sanuane ebobo so nyina ade a ebo yi papa. Afei fight it. Fight it no. And also so plant-based foods no. Na eboa eponi pedian ho by the preventing nema preventing kidney stones and other stones. In fact, say unya urine retention, say untumi nso ma jonso ni nyina ampie abonten emma. Na jonso become it me form crystals and as abo. If you say jonso no urea enti say a check it me form stones. It mean bladder stones. Enti fight it no prevent kidney stones, bladder stones, a boy who benefit diabetes, carries atherosclerosis, heart disease, and I say cancer who do nina. Fight it in your feet in your pain. In your knee, I will be to say beans, a dear, any a bush of funina, inina. And remove the prey and a coso a first I fight it no. A juma a horror to say cancer, breast cancer, a bois, laryngeal carcinoma, a bois, cervical cancer, prostate cancer, hepatoma, pancreatic cancer, all other cancers. I fight it, no, I will be in mono. So, in the new young body man, or some pa, or the mycene, na MY. I say, you know, a granity, and also a year to me, papa, and the Taka who has some radio need TV horror, may cost to queer programs, no say. So a beman qua dear, now prostate glandular, as I said, Usha says, will be debated there. A man so, or baby, or what breast, just oil of our breast. Also, here said the enemy. I a friend of Lindsay. Na enyema ewumu bi fana lignans and isoflavonoids. Na sa lignans no any isoflavonoids no. Na juma kesiye pa ne se every tumor. Ya eye kesiye o ni pedium no no. Enti sa prostate ni ya kesiye. Na udi sa linseed no Obanya, myoma, and now fibroid, would deal signal. Only when you coupon, why you mistake, Senator Misha said, Mekano, say, when you mean, maybe a pepe. Why you mistake will be BM, but provided enough near my ear, I'm running at their my Sabaya, get me up way. Okay, sir, lignans no, and also in your be our soy emu, into oil oil study be our Portugal and a Hong Kong and a UK, sir, and Yemian, and oil study and Shimuno. I have senior lignans near isoflavonoids no, it may prevent prostate cancer, any breast cancer, any other cancers. Indeed, every mono, a cause which him said, for Mumudi, sa beans and a horror, any seeds, a horror, any cereals, any grains ahorow no ya na omu concentration of lignans no was strong into a bomb prostate Emma a man also a bomb breast and hobai into yakupon de wa yi bibia yi e de amai kama
Doc, about gentleman guy.
A boy.
Hello, Doc.
Hello.
Yes, sir. But what a Roma. Come on, Musuka Crana, Yako commercial break abana. Open every pair of water, Sidia be on surface of woody. Now, I heard an we are a son about so. Say, Yamren, you say, the more Suka crab of Nafi, Amor to us. And I said, Nafi, I heard I say, will be your question be on so to me a bisa. Sans say, you'll bear 15 to 20 minutes. Na dibadino akwa wiem se ye no wana wane ntino e be hwe na wana musu na wi aya sa ama wabam nti ye da se e be ja wa for the meantime je be sa pro na wasa bo na je for ne a form se doctor na amaye doctor me ya na wa maye no which is about prostate cancer e kwa e faso a e betimi avoid ene ma idea e fi se e be ma yet me avoid prostate cancer na onye bi so anema obeye se ne be ya say enlargement could be me shrink na etimi ayeketwa ene ade na wo chechire mu na men ko be kop ai commercial break meeting bi no pe na yaba na wo wenu bi onu so no opese on so di ho adanse ko di doctor ho adanse kakra isa said ye kan the doctor in the program aye kan nyina no ebi nim ko Ghana wo mo ko ho ebi nim so ho no mo awa wo mo nyanko Ghana ntino wo mo nyanko e be ti de na ba so ebetu dwa ansan ye free media so se wo ko Ghana na so wo ha na so wo fute ni no bi na so pese wo fe no no de ma na wo kra no wo ko be fa so obetimi ama wo saka e wo abuchire be bia wo bia de no so ti de number de tu dwa obetimi afre na wo doctor agent ho na du no ada se de wo pese wo ye bia no mo sa akedi se na be kan no de bia me kan say you are what to eat de udi unu ya de no ye na de kire se na ye wo ye de bia me ka vegetables and fruits no Ghana for no and then before yet 10 years when you go to Arabs now Arabs will do fruits and vegetables papa say getting now a draw the my yes so they send the doctor can fufu no and ye na na cost for the producer my go commercial break meet me no rana feel the friend opening na fe the doctor man fana na because and then also pepe they said it made in na be a cost program so na the question.
Watch Solution Hour every Sunday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Gaspora TV. The man on the seat, Chairman Bonsafu Bewa. Solution Hour, solutions to every problem.
Sawa akwantuom na wakoduru fie na wunya baabi na eya pa me kanfo Nivavi Guest House amount eye Kumase Kwadaso Estate near Christ Apostolic University and Kwadaso Market womo jacuzzi papa bi omo swimming pool a obetimi adwodwo ho Nivavi Guest House se wonya ahoho bi na opa baabi papa nso amomada efo ne light adundum de menwene ho kora omo solar 24/7 a eya adwuma na air condition so etwagu afa kora de Nivavi de abetwam edemu stronko owo pap bi a wo bia na wo wura ho no mo a wo be fili très bien se wo pe DSTV ahwe Nivavi wo projector kese aboda ho enti woni problem kra se wo pe bibia nom ana se wo pe bibia de emutuo de wo woni ho problem kra Nivavi bo wura ho na bibia wo nsabeka Nivavi Guest House na wo wura mu a emu afeyie tutromi kai enkoda ba bia se Nivavi na security nso de eye tight me kanfo Nivavi Guest House amount Frawomo ewo ahomatrofo iso 0547819823 anase 0263928191 sewo amonone a na wo de Ghana code na ahye ni mu at Nivavi. You are not just received, but welcome as part of the royal family. Nivavi Guest House. May that do me home.
You alone, I'm on.
Watch Solution.
Yeah, a tip for every four, Sunday air cannon say, Yamreno, AIB. Now, some can say, it will be a horn more, no snow, obey Dr. Juan Dancier. Say, I will chief for Senator be American. Oh, Yari, that's our co hospital, and I said, who go Ghana, and I could do Ghana. I friend say, I said, you for a true fool, sent to Madame for a true fool, said, you for a true fool, almost Dawson, into Yabama, Koha, Braha. The voice of when you brown, who's the best person of which me as I know. No secret in us, and that's our crown and over move. I idea I had gone for. Just open the right person at the right time, very, very difficult. Now, I've been more about her, almost so aqua, Dr. Ho, I'm say, and then maybe to miss. Be an opening, say, a dose, also no, Tina Kusem, and also, baby out here, a kind of fast to see a doctor, and a doctor, and I'm the human years, so I am no. Now, say, what would she be also as you cry? The Chinabino, Bibi said to our own baby, I was so fine, and son, I too late. Opening, Yamakwaba. Opening, I just Yamakwaba.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Whether it's Chetium, whether Chetium, Yamrin, I'm saying, mobile, baby, and our war, and idiot to war, acquire Dr. Paso War, my 18 years and saying crying, my Jeffy Dinamo. It's you.
But okay, mental any year.
They mentioned say, the Jeffy Dinamo, acquire fast work. When you're a doctor, a dear, no, dear, no far to go, or dear, dear, no, yari, a dear, can be betraying. Okay, saying crying. Jimmy Jeffy Dinamo.
Your family, Emmanuel, now. Maternally of them, and the US 1979. Now, make a tell the power, 25 years old nails.
Okay, taxi.
And watching at 2004. We took Colorado, number of Denver. Now, I call Denver first, and I'm here, my music teacher, more airport. And China, Nijaya, the Coca Bass. The bath and the Kenwana. On the 12th of February, 2021 year, I tell you, the son of Papa may quite the manner, who said, when I'm in Agito, we found Agito. Yes, I'm not a penny when the flammations will may find you. No, send there, or Kadesha, and not whatever quite emergency. Now, could do emergency, no, can say a minor stroke. Na eye pa se me ba ntem na me da emergency was 2 days without the 2 days no me na enu achi no free me da 2 days up ba fie no me nantie mu eye dendende na me ntimi nante na me su woka no kra se me kwa e so obi di mechi because ma hwe na me kohwe ase a enye asampa emame nti me di woka enante Denver saa kaka saa nti mo wana me nua bi ono Ghana not kwaku ana na wo mafi ubefi a madam for doctor bi o very good ubefi abo nti October no 19th na mbedu Ghana no me try to be 2 weeks na me bra na yeto o bomo dia me oni na kukumase e ko hu ai Prince Emmanuel Santerio na me ko ho no omu de ma me de we almost treat me me hu du grada me ti wona me nya exercise ni abe friend usu tell so go exercise no so na me ko Mituwa ni afeme usu wadu ani na makodidi the omo ma me lifestyle change na me did twice a day no anopa did be 9 o'clock by 5 ajumre na ya di foods adult see ya me kata me 5 foods see ya me kata me job I mean craft you me job yeah, be and then I'm about only US buy. So be him. The mere no whom we have a grana who you on your own. Daddy, what is a Joseph, we also at it. Ubana no unfunina atoto. She. I don't know why you say. Now, see, I didn't remember. And the doctor, Emma Minro, share me. Uma Betran clinical, who share me. Emma instructions, and let us see I'm in a way. So, my catch will be the manuscript payer. Oh, you Munam didn't you come. So, me to do Grand Mecca for you as I am compared mine, because me no mind in the doctor, there's a doctor Casa, obey to me. Abwawa. Na, and yet, and yet, room with you. The pressure. Then Biana was so, and then I pay. Me banaba na me on checking the pressure. On checking pressure, nam 119 over 79. 119 over 79, the pressure, the blood pressure. It is a doctor cafe, who bet me a boa. And I say, who will be a US, who will be at the baby, no one just stroke, yeah. Me the market of Momodia never come Prince Emmanuel Centurion. One be show my water.
Okay.
Because me, my cook, I could be. And this will be a cat, and Yanka and America. The doctor Castle with me a boa, and yet, and no one, yes, true. The Yadi Pia will be a Yadi Pia will be a doctor. The web walk, Mon said, water. And Yadia over Bana. Bedada wana se send ya kufokusi nam ansana uba kwezi for wibra uba ya we na usi hunsi nyina afa enye sanity doctor de okaso obo with me abo ude o ya de no kwa cancer pra no so who agochiri na e ka che o se we ya de na awanya no doctors ni ntimi nya ho hwe ya me tufu se brabe Bra Emmanuel Centurion, Prince Emmanuel Centurion. Oh, Master. Obit me a wall. Obit me a wall. Tatamu me wono. Me unipa, mama kwa na me no. Ono yandia ne wono ebe yim. Omo hwe ne sa be du me na ma no. Ma no ono ankasa wo se. Ne ho to no ba pa. A ono ankasa abe de me ho tom. Ndi sana etie.
Okay.
I just so bia when ya ubi ya bia obra na on make me abo
okay
I just mean adance ni kakra with the friend Emmanuel Musu
okay I just
this year make say manya 67 years na say me kra na e ka say manya 60 years kra be on
okay
manya 67 obo me papa okay dan ni kakra me adi afa doctor ho eno no
ajo se that's also no adase dia wotumi adi afa doctor ho we dey a living testimony wa ankasa na afu wo na wa ankasa wotumi adi ho adase sa be ehwe onyame ka ho ntino yamra ni ntino achi no ebedi obedi enkomo adase wo dey also wa ye wa kan afa doctor ho yo jene achi no obeti enka yos adase yeah bye bye atie for the for send ye ka no em say ajo so America and no so no send ye ka wa Ghana daba the doctor atimi ayama no so aka ho asem no em say bempada di e wo so scanner momo nyina no afihapa Mr. Cliff last week ne expect o so yama afihapa ene omo aka mo bi afihapa em say dodo na etwen for the footballers no mo abamu but about us na be kai no 2022 na ye wo mu no oba she amawunya na onyo so emetie esanse eboy de nyina so said oka no ka cancer de no nyina no ai prostate no afi no bedroom be bia e ma de nyina abam breast cancer enso ba mu sa na ma ye nyema bia we can't avoid it ntino ehwe Say the baby beating you soon be na doctor Adaroma atumi aboy. I'm say Ajos. Okay. I'm say Ajos friend say Obaso. The metro no Tim so yamre no ya bi na ye be ma doctor Aberana na afi no ya the second program no so atumi abashisha so na ya hwede e be shi sanu kan say na yo one hour per doctor free ha ono so no sako inshira akoye program ntino yes anymre yes anymre friend doctor na
yeah hello
doc we dey yamre no abo pepe ntira na up my na ye be da about official wada roma we dey number no so e be tudwa amai
yeah but talking
but you be to kapa
okay good yeah and see second year can for and so be through the obenya prostate problem the modern so be dinuania onyankopon boy the emo prostate no go buy no obedi send ya no we need emma because protection the airport go buy but anam say you need send ya no now rather and you man prostate no penno and day in day out ye din no and my prostate problem dey bu and I can send ya statistics say 3 we need to take down mobile prostate problem all because of ED. In fair we are the circadian years now and I am crying chances so CRCD that first of this our Giano Pami Ball Lindsay did for a Yama a woman a bob prostate no by a dozen year papa and also papa. Take it a vitamin E a bob prostate no by zinc a bob prostate no by in your name of zinc womb. Maybe to say watermelon, zinc womb, tomato, beans, a woman, bro, zinc woman. Now, and I'm saying, yeah, no, I depleted, was it? I needed to honor. Now, yeah, what they're trying to shifting cultivation, you don't have now. Now, you jama, Adahwa, na say, fertile, be near Kodoha, but nano, as I say back, which is a more good tree. Asase ba ko penoa ene nipa ne teso ena atibia wo funtum no de fertilizer ne ade nti ama zinc levels that a wo asase no mu any other nutrients ni nyina no akopom nti wo depend aduane no nko a ya na ebo ade ba unya supplement ka ko ebo if it is a pumpkin seed na me body no zinc wo mu papa zinc ne very high sesame seed zinc wumpa zinc no ayema prostate no nti obi biara alpha obambo no obo modern so be include zinc and so any vitamins are already in the ewo waduane ni ene mama bobo so ni nyina no ba hwe no obo modern no waye ebema prostate no enya na holding kama those are the back kama mpo when your problem Ubetimi enam sani anama bobo dino so reverse problem no. Nyankopon bo ni peduane yie. Na wo mani peduane niema wo hia. Otumi de ye adwuma ma yare dia reversible. Diabetes reversible. Akoma yare reversible. Cancer then yare dia reversible. Process no any sense. Niema ho do wo hia no. What the man on the peduano depends on the access they any the attitude to my open the mono or ban a camera. And see, in an say a pressure that near yan ye biddy. Now, and near my yes, and your mayano, ever came who a people. Knock. Let's say you knock. Ya cat outside the milk goom, the milk goom, ya will knock. Ya pass. We don't need them because after all, we don't even digest it because when you don't produce lactase, with me, a digestive milk, and Quadano which we produce lactase, a digestive milk. So, see, Yansha, na Yanya and Sakayet, we have a mother bray, have a mud toast to our butcher, with me, greens, colored greens.
Dog. What Pajotimenka?
Hello.
Yes.
Patonka.
A brother soon, Timiso, for nobody to ya. Now, I feel no. Yana, I am good enough.
0267 558882 0267 558882 and WhatsApp live. Over to our friend WhatsApp. Over to our friend normal phone. Okay.
Okay, that's it. I mean, Shroud, I mean, come. Now, that was what the audio my ain't, you know. Yes, I did, you know, once in a month, to once in a month, you know. You know, be to my dear, no. Now, I don't know. Send it also a boy and watching your boy. Am I yet to me and your teacher? Send it, there be a can. That's a blue chief for Japadia, any feeling in and say, you know, I'm say, behaving. Have you, consul and Bessia, the idea of a call. To another room, a young who on you who say, your barber boy, and you know, be dinky town. Now, send a bay, I am fire, the MFE. Now, I am refused necessary. What days, if you begin to have been so sharp here to our Roma, you know, dinky town, that is a woman, I quench. Now, you to me, I boy, you know, and your man come, dog, you know. So, will be 2 minutes to be our person can, and they quite our can have, you know. You got the next topic, and also, so now to your point, you're going to share, you're going to have the mediation. Hello, dog.
Hello.
Aha. And then one is all be cow within 2 minutes here. Mamma, crying out there. What to me, I can't have, you know.
Oh, okay. Okay. Did you put the other deck and I'm not for to see a dear, you need the Jacobet.